Stop raping my sister! Stop burning my sister!
I've come here today because a number of constituents have raised with me their real concern about the persecution and killings of Hindus in Bangladesh. It's something that I have already raised previously in Parliament. I've raised it with the Foreign Office, and it's something that I'm intending to continue to raise. This is a really important issue for my constituents. I know from Hindus.
Do you think the Labour government's done enough?
I know that the Labour government has been engaged in this issue. I've already written to the foreign ministers and arranged a meeting with a number of people from the community. I know the government will continue to press for resolution on this to ensure that we protect all minorities in Bangladesh and elsewhere.
As a British Hindu, I want British government to give the message to Bangladeshi government, because they are not protecting innocent citizens in Bangladesh, minorities in Bangladesh. So as a British Hindu, we want British government to tell them to maintain the law and order, because in Bangladesh, law enforcement authorities stand there silently and see the people have been harassed, people have been killed, houses have been burned, they don't do anything. There is no justice in Bangladesh. They have arrested people like Chinmoy Prabhu. They left him in the jail without any justice. They have killed Dipu Das, Khokon Das. Nobody has been arrested. Who has been arrested, they have been released without any trial. So British government, I want British government to give the message to Bangladeshi government to stop atrocities on Hindus, to stop atrocities on minorities, and to give them right to live peacefully in Bangladesh. We are not against any government, any party, but we are against the culprits, fundamentalists, those who are causing lots of misery and trouble and killing the people for no reason. Dr. Yunus is showing a blind eye. He is not doing anything at the moment. We have been asking him to stop these atrocities. He's a Nobel laureate, and in his time there should not be a killing like Dipu Das, alive in burning and torch and lynching him, and they have not been punished. They have not been arrested yet. So we expected Dr. Yunus to do more about these atrocities on minorities, but nothing is happening in Bangladesh. Minorities are always in fear. So we want the British parliamentarian, British government, Keir Starmer, Prime Minister, to intervene. As a Commonwealth citizen, they have right to they have right to live in the country without fear.
Has British government done anything yet, do you think?
In my knowledge, we have been appealing to them all the time. We have seen the Foreign Minister Catherine West. They said they have written to the Bangladesh government, Commonwealth Office, but I have not heard anything back, any feedback that anything has been done.
I'm here to show the solidarity with the Hindu community, not only in Bangladesh, throughout the world, wherever the minorities are suffering. They are abused on the grounds of their faith. We are protesting under human rights that they should be protected. I am urging the British government and all those forces who always work for the human rights to protect the interests of the minorities in Bangladesh, intervene as quickly as possible so that killing should be stopped and may not be repeated in the future. It's not only the immediate killing stop, it's the future stoppage as well, so that they can enjoy their freedom of speech, freedom of worship, and promote the human rights in the world. That's why I'm here. That's why I'm supporting. There's many things British government can do. But first, they can show their anger and the protest through the High Commissioner in London, so that the message can go to the Bangladesh government that it cannot be and will not be tolerated. Strongest protest should be from the government of Britain, because Britain is a tolerant country. British culture and civilization teaches the acceptance of other faiths. So that's why I think and I believe the British government, who is already looking at it, will be showing their anger and the protest to the Bangladesh government.
Do you think they've done enough so far?
Not enough.
No.
More can be done. And I'm not saying that I totally ignore what the government already and the British people have done, but more can be done.
Yeah.
And our urge to the British MPs and British political leaders, please intervene to this government, and they should tell to the present government, please install law and order and save the killing innocent people, especially Hindu people, because they've been telling they are the first, they are the supporter of human rights. They are the people. They ensure law and order situation has to exist. But why they are not concentrating and pressuring to the government? These things are vanished completely. No law and order situation, no law and order, no human rights, no freedom of speech. Why they are not pressuring this government? They have a foreign office over there.